Adults can also suffer from concerns such as breakouts, congestion, and of course signs of aging. The AGE Bright Clearing Serum from Dermalogica is designed especially for adults or more mature skins who have these concerns. It's a 2-in-1 brightening and clearing serum that clears and helps prevent breakouts while reducing the signs of skin aging. It contains a number of key ingredients. AGE Bright Complex works with the skin's natural microbiome to help destroy the spot-causing bacteria in your skin. It promotes clearer and brighter skin. Phytoactives from the Resurrection plant help bring the skin back to life and improve hydration and skin texture. Niacinamide works together with white shiitake mushroom to promote an even skin tone, reducing pigmentation and scarring marks. To use the AGE Bright Clearing Serum, cleanse and tone your skin as normal. Apply 5 to 6 drops to your face and neck area and allow this to absorb. Follow with your prescribed Dermalogica moisturiser and your sunscreen each morning for protection against the damaging UV rays. If you would like any further advice about the AGE Bright Clearing Serum or guidance around the Dermalogica products, please visit our website and click on Advice.